Hey guys, it's Percat here. I'm at Truckrite, one of NTI's premium repairers, and the guys are going to give me a tour of this amazing facility. Can you tell us about some of the high standards that has earned Truckrite the ability to be an NTI Premium Repairer?
We'll have the latest and greatest in technology with our paint booths, our rapid repair systems. We also have the latest with overhead cranes. We have multiple in this facility. We have the best with regards to welders, spot weld systems, and in-ground Joseph repair systems, which is for chassis straightening.
What are some of the facilities here you have at Truckrite to get NTI customers back on the road?
Yeah, the turnaround times are massive for the customer and for NTI. With NTI and their support and the customer at front of mind, we like to achieve that together.
Yeah, teamwork is essential in Truckrite with regards to obviously some of the size of the parts on the vehicles and the weight. Obviously, you need a good team around to help each other out as the repair goes through its process.
Can you tell us how NTI and Truckrite work together to get the customers back on the road?
We're allowed to scope the repair straight from the start. We organise all the parts through NTI, they come on time, we get the repair done, happy days for the customer.
I think what makes Truckrite the repair of choice for NTI customers is latest technology and our willingness to move through the process quickly, with the customer being at the front of our mind. We understand that if the customer's truck is in here, they're not working, they're not making money. We deal with all the multinationals here, and we understand that a working truck is money in the customer's pocket.